Hey guys, this week I just wanted to show you inside the making of the process. My printing press, which is the most important thing, is covered in rust, so I need to get it ready for a new season while the sun is shining and the weather is warm. Two things I discovered in this video. There's a boxing bag that won't stop swinging, and two, I love sea shanties when doing manual labour. All I need is a rust remover and a bristle brush, standard from the hardware. So, like I said, like any of these DIY aspects, if I can do it, you can do it.
Falling down around me. Just getting off the loose paint and some of the paint that could be fighting the rust.
Now here's your mother coming, like a canny woman. Yonder comes your father drunk, he cannot stand. And you shall have a fishy on a little dishy. You shall have a fishy when the boat comes in. And dance to your daddy, sing to your mommy. Dance to your daddy, to your mommy, sing. Dance to your daddy, sing to your mommy. Dance to your daddy, to your mommy, sing. You shall have a fishy on a little dishy. You shall have a haddock.
So, that maintenance work everybody hates doing is done. The print is ready for a new season. See you next week.
He's very kind to me, I hope he'll never fail. And you shall have a fishy on a little dishy. You shall have a fishy.